Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration on setting up Visual Studio Code to take console input with C# or almost any C-based language. Okay, so we've got Visual Studio Code open. We're going to start by opening a folder. I'm using Ubuntu at the moment, but other than this little bit with creating a new folder, it will be exactly the same. So navigate to where your source is going to be, create a folder name, VsCode demo console input, create, open. Everything from this point onwards will be exactly the same. Okay, so we need to save the workspace, so save workspace as. Once again, it'll open in the same folder, whichever operating system we're using. Just click save. Now we've got the main configuration there. We need to add our C# solution. So we do need to add the solution first, otherwise you've got more configuration steps to do. If you're not working with C#, it will be very similar, but obviously you need to configure it for your particular project. So we're going to create a solution. Give it a name. Once we've got a name, we're going to add a new project. And we're going to just do a console app to make it simple. We're going to select C#, console input demo. Okay, there we go. So we've got the solution created. The next stage we need to do is come across this run debug option here. Then we need to create a launch.json file and select the workspace that you're working with. And then you'll also need to select the type of solution, but this is going to be a .NET 5 Plus .NET Core. And this is the bit that we're interested in here. Internal console will not allow you to take console input, so we're going to delete all of that, put in the quotes, and we'll see that we have three options. We've got the external terminal, which you can use, but we can also use the integrated terminal rather than internal console. So we're going to save that. Come back to the Solution Explorer. And let's open the file. So please enter a string, then press the enter key. String user input equals console.readline. That's just warning us about the potential for null strings. We'll ignore that for now. And then we'll do a console.writeLine. You entered, and then we'll output the user input string. Bingo. Okay, so now we need to run that. Let's go to run, start debugging. Come to terminal, it'll say please enter a string, then press the enter key. So we'll just type in a string, we'll press enter, and there we've got our output. Thank you. Bye.